How to share your YouTube channel link is what I'm going to show you in this video. This will not only work for your own channel, but also for any other channel on YouTube that you want to share with your friends or anyone you want to send that link to. Now, there should be a update that will prompt you to search for this video. The easiest way would be to go to your own channel. On the top right, click your logo, go to your channel. Now, once you're there, you can see the three dots in the top right. Want to click those. And as you can see, for me, share is at the bottom. Now I can share my YouTube link. If that's not there for you, you want to go back, go to home in the bottom left. Now go to the search bar and search for your own channel. How to global. Now search for your own channel. Now, as you can see, for me, it doesn't pop up. What you want to do is click the three dots in the top right, click on filters, type drop down, open it menu, drop down menu next to type, click on channel, hit apply. Now you see all these channels with the exact name you typed in the search bar, minus the second one. You will find yours if you scroll down. Now you see the three dots and on the right next to my channel name. If you click those at the bottom, you see share. That way you can share your YouTube channel link. If you want someone else, let's say Skiller, this is some football YouTuber. Now, as you can see, his channel immediately comes up. You can click the three dots on the right to his name, click share, and that way you can share his YouTube channel link. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.